Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. When you're ready, tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, click on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are over here. If you want to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!